Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you some iPhone battery saving tips and tricks. Let's start the video. Tips number 1. Go to settings. Scroll down. Tap on battery. Tap on battery health and charging. Now turn on optimized battery charging. Tips number 2. Go to settings. Scroll down and find privacy and security. Tap on privacy. Scroll down. Tap on motion and fitness. Now turn off fitness tracking. Tips number 3. Go to settings. Scroll down to find privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. Tap on system services. Scroll down. Turn off iPhone analytics. Turn off routing and traffic. Tips number 4. Go to settings. Scroll down to find privacy. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. Tap on system services. Now turn off Apple Pay merchant identification. Turn off HomeKit. Turn off location based alerts. Turn off location based suggestions. Turn off networking and wireless. Turn off settings time zone. Tips number 5. Go to settings. Scroll down and find music. Tap on music. Tap on animated cover art. Tap on off. Hopefully these tips will be very helpful in your battery savings. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.